What's up, guys? Welcome to Editors United, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to link and unlink clips on your timeline on Adobe Premiere Pro. So as you can see on the timeline, I have two clips. I have my audio clip here, but as you can see it has actual visuals over that. And I have my clip here that I want that song to play over. And as you can hear, they're two completely different sounds, and I don't want those to mix at all. Alright, so this is super simple. So the first way we're going to unlink and link this is to first go to the clip that you want to unlink, which is going to be my audio clip, and you go up here to your clip, or if you're well, this is on Mac. If you're on PC, it should be similar, but you just go to your clip and you should go to unlink here. Just click that unlink, and now the two clips are unlinked. And as you can see on this clip here, as a VA, your video and your audio, they're connected. Whereas now on this clip here, there's no indication of VA, so they're not connected to anything right now. So I can move this clip here, and I can still play this, or I can move this over, and I can move the audio over, and then I can play it here, and I have nothing there because the audio is not connected. Alright, so that's the first way how you can easily unlink audio. And if you want to link those back, you just click on one clip, and then the other clip that you want to link it back to, you just hold shift and you click the other one. So now they're both collected. So now they're both clicked there, and then you should go back up the clip and you go back down, and now instead of saying unlink, it should say link on the clip, and then you just click the button and ta-da, guys, it's linked. Alright, so on this next clip here, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly do this without even having to go up here to clip and going down to unlink. You just press Command L on Mac, or you can press Control L if you're using PC, and that will link the clip, and that would also unlink the clip. Just Command L or Shift or Control L. Remember, Command L or Control L, and that will link and unlink the clips. And if the clips are unlinked, like right here, nothing's linked up now. So if I wanted to link this clip, this fighting clip, with this audio here, I would just have to shift this audio clip, or vice versa. I can click on this one first and shift the other clip, and then I can quickly press Command L or Control L, and those two clips are now linked. A, as you can see, for the audio, and V for the video, and then I can move these two together, and now they're linked no matter where I go. And these two clips are not linked to anything, so I can move this independently and nothing else will move, or I can move this clip here and nothing else will move. So finally, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the finished clip. So let me go ahead and move that back, and we're going to unlink that by pressing Command L or Control L, just by clicking one of those clips, and ta-da, there's not linked. And now we're going to go ahead and remove this visual, and then simply move this clip over. And to delete that clip, I just press delete on my Mac, and then from there you can go ahead and bam, click that clip, shift to connect it to the other clip, and then you press either Command or Control L to link those two. Or you can just go up here to clip, go down to link, and now you have those two clips that you wanted linked. And now let me go ahead and play that. And ta-da, guys, that's a quick way to link and unlink clips. Super simple. You just got to press Command or Control L depending if you're using PC or Mac, or you can just go up to clip and you can either click the unlink, or if the clips are already unlinked and usually click 2 clips, you just click that and it'll link it. And yeah guys, that's a quick tutorial on how to unlink and link clips. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments section below, and hope all you guys have a great day today. Cheers.